Local veterans say the relatively new VA health center in Fredericksburg is massive and state-of-the-art, but inside they described it as a ghost town. Veterans say the care they receive at the Fredericksburg VA is great. The problem is they can't get appointments.
Our Northern Virginia Bureau reporter Drew Wilder takes us to a veterans roundtable tonight to discuss with local elected leaders trying to find ways to improve care for the people who served our country.
We'll get answers.
About a dozen local veterans say the Fredericksburg VA Health Center is not providing the care they deserve. The issue isn't the doctors. They say it's a lack of doctors. United States Air Force veteran Ashley Carruthers said the VA straight up told her she'd be seen faster if she went somewhere else.
But I was told I was better off staying with the DC VAMC just because of wait times and staffing issues.
Michael Dunlap, retired United States Marine, says the provider turnover at the Fredericksburg VA is unreal. He says he's had 4 different primary care physicians within the last year.
And they go and then you get a new doctor. So now you have to wait till you see that doctor, spend the time talking to them, bring them back up to speed on everything you've been going through, and then start all over again. So that's, I think, frustrating.
The facility itself is a crown jewel in the VA system, a state-of-the-art facility that just opened in March of last year. Virginia Senator Tim Kaine says the facility has never been fully staffed.
Staffing was supposed to be at about 980. That's full staff. It was about a third staff last year. A year plus later, it's maybe 60% staffed. And that means an awful lot of people here can't get services.
Congressman Eugene Vindman represents this area, Virginia's 7th district. Vindman says there are more vets in his district than any other congressional district in the country. Following today's roundtable, Vindman and Kaine say they were meeting with the administration at the Fredericksburg VA to start finding solutions.
I hope that these discussions are productive. I'm going to go in with an open mind, but I'm going to be very firm that what is going on here is unacceptable, and we're going to hold these people accountable.
News 4 reached out to the VA for a comment and to ask about current staffing levels, but so far we haven't heard back. Reporting in Fredericksburg, Drew Wilder, News 4.
Congressman Eugene Vindman's seat is up for re-election this November. Republican Douglas Ollivant is running against Vindman, and today News 4 reached out to Ollivant's campaign to ask what he would do to improve the Fredericksburg VA. His campaign has not responded.